Hi, welcome to this short video presentation on a short trade in the British pound 30-minute chart for the 4th of December 2013. So we've got a potential short here. The market's traded back through the pivot points as well. So we've closed through the main pivot, which is the DP, the daily pivot. And if you're not familiar with these, then take a look at the pivot training videos that are available in the training section of the website. So the trade was triggered by the time I actually got to the chart and had it loaded, and the market had pulled back a bit. So what I did was took the trade. You can see there the order being placed. I'm just dragging along the timeline here. This is not in real time. I'm just doing a quick overview here. So you can see the order ticket there being launched in at £1 a point. And you will see in a moment the sell being activated there now. So we're in the trade any second now. There we go. You can see that the trade is now in progress, and then of course you've got minus 240 to begin with, which is the slippage on the trade. And then an hour later, an hour and a half later, we can see that we're down at the target price, the first scalp area, and the psychological support there at 163.50. As we had news out today, if I just bring this up for you, see if we can get a look at it. We had the services PMI. I thought I would exit this trade as we were at the target price, and the fact that we had an high impact news item there as well. So I set about trying to get out of the trade. Didn't realise we were close to 9:30, and you will see in just a moment, just as I got to hit the close button, the market dropped sharply, and then I tried to get out and the order wouldn't get filled. And this is not unusual in a fast moving market. The brokerage firms, spread betting companies find it difficult for some unknown reason, I don't know why, to actually execute these trades. So when this happens, you might as well just give it a few seconds and wait and see if the market settles a bit and the volatility goes out of it, so you can actually get out of the trade. So what I did was wait for the market to settle over the next few minutes. I'm just going to speed things up for you so you can see what happened. So now we've got a narrower range in the bar following the drop there, and I'm still having a look to see what the market's doing. And I'm also keeping in mind at this point as well, we have the psychological level that we just looked at, and the other pivot points in that area as well, which you'll see when we go back to the chart in a moment. So again, I'm just going to speed things up here so you can see, and I'm just looking to see what the market's doing. The volatility's gone out of the market now, so what I decide to do is to try and take the money off the table. So you can see the market coming back there. And again, the reason is the psychological level in the background. If the market closes back above that level, it's likely to trade higher. And that was 163.50 as I recall. So we're just below it here. So I decide to take the money just in case it closes back above it. So you can see there the money being taken off the table, around 26.3 pips there. And later on in the day, if I can bring the software up and just show you this, if I can just drag this in here and shrink it to fit the recording area, and then go back to the 30-minute chart, there you can see the market returning back up. It did come back down just prior to another news item, but it meant that you would have had to have waited a few hours before this actually happened. And now you can see the market's back above the low and the psychological level there. So around 27 pips on this trade today. Okay, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Until the next time, thanks for watching.